Kawadhi nyime eni speaker mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula okono jo siasa mopogore pacho ka mondo owe siasa mar pogo ganda kendo gi riwre kanyakla motelo ne yiero ma higa 2027. Wetangula wacho ni siasa mar pogo ganda sani okonego dhi nyime piny Kenya kalore gi mijingo ma jatend piny Kenya William Ruto keto mar riwo wi oganda jo Kenya kanyakla. Okone oganda luo mondo kik wuondgi gi jo siasa moko madwaro mana margi kendgi kendo ojiwogi mondo gimed tiyo kanyakla gi jatend piny William Ruto e bwo sirikal mar manywanda motelo ne yiero ma 2027. Wetangula mane oten gi jaod bura makara chuonyo Adipo Kuome, jaod bura ma Homa Bay Town kaachiel kod jotelo mamoko ne oloso e kinde nyasi mar alam kod choko omenda e kanisa mar Kanyadhiang' kama jotelogo ne omedo siro motegno sirikal mar manywanda.
Mungu pia tukumbushane ya kwamba Kenya hii lazima iwe kitu kimoja, na kwa mara ya kwanza tunaona Northeastern barabara za lami zinajengwa. Hapa Nyanza barabara zinajengwa, kule Western barabara zinajengwa, kule Pwani barabara zinajengwa. Zamani area zingine Kenya hii watoto walikuwa wanasoma barabara ya lami kwa vitabu, wanaona michoro, wanaambiwa hii barabara mvua ikinyesha haiwezi kupata matope, hii barabara mvua ikinyesha huwezi kukwama. Lakini sasa wanaiona, wanaifeel.
Kauno tingi ni nyani ndo Karachuonyo, gini ndo Homa Bay, gini ndo Kamora Mora Kenyaka. The happiest part of it is that the president has said the struggle we've been having coming from Nairobi down here during Christmas days and another celebrations. Ungeyo Mau Rironi Road, Idwa Kete Dual Modonji. The SGR, which was terminated somewhere in Suswa, is being brought up to Kisumu, then to Malaba border, so that our trade with Uganda can go together. Don't get bad.
We have been suffering. The people of Western region. Getting out of Nairobi was a problem. The road that brings taxes to Kenya comes from Mombasa to Malaba. But when other people decided to create comfort in their zone, they have a dual carriage from Nairobi to Nyeri. And then they want us to say, we follow them wherever they are. So that when they come back, we continue suffering our people. Do you want to suffer?